Welcome to Quick Tips with Small Space Urban Gardening. I'm going to show you how I save money by not buying tomato seeds. What I'll do is I'll take some tomatoes from my fridge that I bought at my local supermarket. I'll take one out, cut the tomato, and I'll harvest the seeds. Now that I have some seeds, I'm going to place it in my growing medium. And I'm going to cover them up just slightly with just a slight bit of soil. I'm going to label the container. And then I'm going to gently water them in with my spray container, making sure that the medium is moist. Next, I'm going to sit them under a grow light. If you don't have a grow light, you can use a sunny window or just sit them outside if it's warm enough. In about 4 to 7 days, you should see the tomatoes sprouting out. Thank you for watching Small Space Urban Gardening, and I will keep you posted on what took place with these tomatoes. Thank you. I'm back again with the second part of the video. Okay, it's been exactly 3 weeks since I first harvested the seeds from the store-bought tomato. I'm going to take a look inside. Now, both of these had seedlings grown inside of them. I believe this one where you see nothing in there, I believe maybe a bird or something came and took it. But on this one, you see there's 4 tomato sprouts. What I'll do is I'll let these grow up a little bit taller, and I'll cut all the small ones out and keep the strongest looking one, and I'll plant it. So as you can see, this worked well. The only issue is that it took much longer to germinate than usual, and that's because I did not leave them in the house under the grow light. I took them outside on a warm day and left them out, but we had a lot of chilly days, chilly nights, and when the weather got steadily warm, they sprouted. So this works. This will save you some money. If you find a variety in a store that you really would like to grow at home, you can do this and grow your own tomato plants for free. Thank you for watching Small Space Urban Gardening. See you soon.